Okay, so this is a presentation over Earth, the habitable planet. So for any life to live, we need liquid water, an atmosphere, oxygen, soil and sunlight for plants to grow, carbon dioxide, and protection from the sun and solar winds. Fortunately, we have all these on Earth, which is what makes it the habitable planet. But for us to look into the galaxy to see if there are any other planets we could possibly live on, we must search for these things. The atmosphere is one of the biggest components of having a habitable planet. It controls the oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. Without an atmosphere, we wouldn't be able to hold and release CO2 and oxygen, meaning we couldn't breathe and we wouldn't have an atmosphere. The atmosphere changes due to the mass and temperature of the planet, and Earth is just perfect for an atmosphere compared to other planets our size. Next, we need a magnetic field. The magnetic field protects us from solar wind and debris and helps keep the atmosphere. The magnetic field is made within the core, where we have lava and magma moving around, creating this magnetic field. So with plate tectonics helping keep the magnetic field in our liquid outer core, we're able to protect our planet from solar winds and debris and hold our atmosphere. So, with all that in mind, I didn't go over oxygen very much in detail. Of course we need oxygen to breathe, but we also need it for our plants, the soil and sunlight. Without plants we can't eat, therefore we wouldn't be able to sustain life. In addition, we need a warm atmosphere, which helps create liquid water, again, so we can live. And this is created through having our CO2 in the atmosphere. Hopefully that helps you understand what we need for a habitable planet. Thank you.